Imagine a horizon of information flowing across your windshield, turning every journey into a living digital canvas. The BMW Neue Klasse iDrive introduces a panoramic display powered by Operating System X, a ribbon of data stretching the width of the cabin. It integrates navigation, entertainment, and driver assistance into a seamless interface, designed to adapt intuitively to the driver's needs. BMW.com. This next-generation driving environment will arrive in upcoming BMW models with prices expected to begin around $74,000. A silhouette that looks born from the wind itself, the Aptera Solar EV redefines what a car can be. This three-wheeled electric coupe, built in the United States, harvests sunlight to deliver up to 40 miles of free solar driving per day and stretches its 100 kilowatt-hour battery to a 100 kilowatt-hour battery to a range of over 1,600 kilometers. Its ultra-light composite body and drag coefficient of just 0.13 make acceleration from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour possible in 3.3 seconds at $25,900. The back of a pickup becomes a fortress of order when truck bed drawers slide into place. Built by decked with galvanized steel and high-density polyethylene, these drawers carry up to 2,000 pounds on top, while keeping tools and gear protected from weather and theft. Smooth rolling tracks allow quick access to equipment, transforming rugged work or adventure into organized precision. Heavy-duty utility is secured at $1,599. A truck bed transforms into a raised sanctuary when a portable truck bed tent unfolds under the stars. Napier's sports truck tent uses ripstop polyester with a waterproof coating, fitting directly onto bed rails to create a stable sleeping space for two adults. Ventilated windows, color-coded poles, and an integrated rainfly make setup fast while ensuring comfort in changing weather. Elevated rest in the wild begins at $269. A truck bed becomes a hidden chamber of strength when a retractable tonneau cover slides into place. Built from aluminum slats and reinforced polymers, these covers roll into a compact canister at the cab, protecting cargo from weather and theft while allowing flexible access. Models like the Retrax PRO MX and Gator Trax are designed to support hundreds of pounds on top, blending durability with sleek design. Secure versatility begins at $899. One simple motion turns a heavy tailgate into a gateway of ease, lowering safely with controlled precision. Tailgate step assist systems, such as Ford F-150 kit, use hydraulic dampers and reinforced brackets to prevent slamming while offering a stable step surface. Compact in design, they integrate seamlessly with factory lines, making climbing into the bed safer for all ages. Everyday accessibility is unlocked at $34. When the road disappears into darkness, a dash cam with night vision keeps every detail alive. Equipped with infrared sensors, wide dynamic range, and lenses reaching up to 170 degrees, models like the red Tyger F7NP record in crisp 4K resolution with GPS and Wi-Fi connectivity parking mode, and G-sensor emergency lock ensure footage is preserved even when the vehicle is unattended. Clear nighttime protection begins at $75. Rain turns into beads that vanish with a flick of wind when Ultra Glaco Soft 99 coats the glass. This Japanese-engineered hydrophobic solution bonds to windshields for up to 12 months, creating a durable barrier that improves visibility and safety in storms. Its integrated applicator makes installation simple, while the coating resists grime and frost adhesion. Long-lasting clarity begins at $46. What if your license plate could update itself, renew your tags, and alert you if stolen? The Reviver Rplate is the world's first digital license plate, featuring a monochrome HD display, tamper alerts, and DMV integration for seamless registration renewal. It mounts securely to your vehicle and connects via app, letting you switch between light and dark modes or display custom messages. This connected plate of the future begins at $499. When seconds matter and weight is no joke, the Pnumatic Jack lifts with the force of compressed air and zero hesitation. Models like the Z-M RTDW 03-ton air jack raise vehicles in under 5 seconds using a reinforced airbag system and long steel handle for garage or roadside use. With a lift height of up to 17.7 inches and a load capacity of 6,600 pounds, it's built for serious work. Fast, stable lifting starts at $116. A quiet witness with a sharp eye, the Pictrey. A 400 captures every moment in crisp 4K, even when you're not watching. It features a 1.9-inch IPS screen, built-in Wi-Fi, AIDS support, and 24-hour parking mode with night vision for round-the-clock protection. Loop recording and G-sensor emergency lock ensured that critical footage is never lost. This compact guardian starts at $57. When the road turns hostile, visibility becomes survival. And that's where TrekSafe LED road flares shine. These flameless, magnetic beacons emit ultra-bright light visible from over 1,500 meters, wrapped in shock-proof polycarbonate and sealed to resist water and cold. Each flare includes a flashlight mode and comes in a rugged hard case for quick deployment. Emergency visibility begins at $20. The side of your truck bed becomes a tactical wall when the rough country Molle panel kit locks into place. Made from 1/8-inch powder-coated steel, it mounts to the cab side or bed rails of a 5-foot Toyota Tacoma, offering endless attachment points for tools, jacks, and gear. Its laser-cut grid is built for modularity, letting you customize your loadout for work or overland missions. Rugged organization begins at $119. A tri-fold shield of aluminum and polymer, the Extang Solid Fold 2.0 turns your truck bed into a sealed vault. Its EnduraShield panels resist dents and UV damage, while the Easy Lock clamps make opening and securing the cover fast and tool-free. Designed to sit flush with the bed rails, it improves aerodynamics without sacrificing access or strength. This folding fortress starts at $939. So the forest hums, the truck door clicks, and from the side of your Rivian, a full kitchen slides into the wild. The Range Industries Camp Kitchen is precision-built for the R1T's gear tunnel, unfolding to reveal an induction cooktop, collapsible sink, LED lighting, and modular storage, all powered by the truck's onboard battery. Its aluminum frame and marine-grade components are made in the USA, designed to handle mud, rain, and remote mornings with equal grace. Off-grid cooking mastery begins at $5,995.